Namaskaram. We are showing a simple medicine against cough. The ingredient is you'll have to take a date, remove the seed, take 5 pepper, put it inside and tie it with a small thread. Dip this in 200 ml milk and reduce into 50 ml. And then take this date, eat just slowly and drink the milk. This will reduce the cough in a very effective way. You will have to take 2 times and repeat few days. Within a short time you will get good result.